name is Olivia, and I'm going to teach you how to make the Raindrop Bracelet. This is what the Raindrop Bracelet will look like. I thought it would be fun to use the raindrop colors, so I wanted to use dark blue, white, and turquoise. Your Fun Loom should be faced this way. If it is, then you're going to start with the color white, which I'm going to start with, and you're going to put it diagonal ways like this. And then you're going to take another white rubber band, and you're going to put it like this. Then you're going to take another white rubber band, and you're going to put it upwards like this, and then you're going to continue all the way up until these two pegs, because then you're going to have to do something different, which is you're going to take a white rubber band and you're going to put it diagonal ways, like this. Now you're going to do as like what I said, and you're going to put it diagonal ways. Do the same on the other side. Then I'm going to take my turquoise color and I'm going to put it on the first and second peg like that. And then I'm going to take my dark blue rubber band, I'm going to put it on top of the turquoise rubber band. Make sure they don't twist. Continue the pattern all the way up to that peg. Make sure you push them down so it has space for the top one. It should look like this. Then you're going to take a white rubber band and make it into a cap band, and this is how you make it into a cap band. You should put your rubber band on your finger, and then you should twist it, and then put it back on, and then you should take the cap band and put it at the end. Turn your loom around, and then it's time to loop. You're going to take your hook, and you're going to go through the cap band, and you're going to grab turquoise, and you're going to loop it over to this peg. Then you're going to take my dark blue, and you're going to loop it around just like you did with the turquoise. Then you're going to go through the cap band again, and you're going to grab this rubber band, and you're going to put it over to that peg. And then grab the other rubber band and put it to that peg. Then you're going to go through this, and you're going to take that rubber band, and you're going to loop it forward. And then do the same on the other side. Now you're going to go through this one, and you're going to grab your dark blue rubber band, and you're going to put it over to that peg. Then you're going to take the turquoise color, and you're going to put it over to that peg. Then you do the same thing again all the way to the top. So you're going to go through, and you're going to grab the white rubber band, and you're going to go over to that peg, then do the same on the other, like in the last one. Then you're going to do the same as you did over there. You're going to grab the dark blue color, and you're going to loop it over to there. Then you're going to grab your turquoise, you're going to grab it and put it over there to that peg. Then do the same, and I'm going to do this one with you, and then we're going to fast forward. So you're going to go through here, and you're going to take the white rubber band, and you're going to put it over. And then you're going to take this white rubber band, and you're going to put it over to that peg. And then take the dark blue and put it over to that peg. And then take turquoise and put it over to that peg. Now I'm going to fast forward from here. At the last one, you're going to take your white rubber band and you're going to put it to the middle, and the same with the other side. The loom should look like this. Now you're ready to take your bracelet off, and this is how you'll do it. You're going to take your hook, you're going to put it through all these rubber bands, and you're going to grab any color rubber band you want, but I'm going to use white, and you're going to pull it through. It might be a little tricky. And over. And then you can take your bracelet off. Don't take the last part off because otherwise it will all fall apart. Put them on the hook. Then take a C or S clip, but I'm going to use S, and you're going to stretch it out. You could put your finger through it, which is what I'm going to do, but you don't have to. And then you're going to take the S clip and put it over the rubber bands. If your bracelet is too short, you can do the extension I'm going to do. This is how you do it. You're going to turn around your loom. Then you are going to take rubber bands and make like the chain, but you're going to connect another bracelet to it. And this is how you do it. I'm going to use white for the outside. You're going to put it straight like that, and then you're going to take another and put it straight again until you think it will be long enough. When you think it will be good, then turn it around and then grab one side of your bracelet and put it over on there, and then you can do the looping. And then you take your S clip or C clip, you put it on the other side, put the rubber bands over, and then you can take it all off. And there's your bracelet. I hope you'll come back and make some other Fun Loom bracelets with me. Bye!